Doris, and today we are going to be looking at phase 5 of the Jolly Phonics programme of letters and sounds, and I'm going to enable you as parents to teach and to help your children through this phase. Now usually schools teach this phase throughout year 1, but obviously it doesn't happen for all children. So your year 1 might know these sounds, but they also might be struggling a little bit, which is where you come in and I'm going to help you. So like in phase 3, we have got phonemes, which are sounds, and then graphemes and digraphs and blah blah blah, and I will do a YouTube video just on all those words so that you understand what they all mean. But we have digraphs again, that's what I'm going to call them for now. And let's do an example using sound buttons. So we've got a sound button, and we've got a sound button, and we've got a digraph line. Now if I touch these sound buttons, t, os, t, os, t, os, and you will now be able to help your child to read and write more complex, more difficult words. Let's show you what O actually is then. And unfortunately for phase 5, we don't have any actions, which is really sad. But that's a good thing because you and your child might be able to make up some actions. An O and an E is O. And you can use that in does, just like I did before. Does. Again, these are not the order that they teach them in at school. I am going to teach you in this order. It's just simpler. I'm going to do vowel ones, consonants, and then I will have a look at something called a split digraph. Okay, this one, O and O, is ow. Ow, as in shout. Okay, so ow as in shout. O and E is ew, like blue and Q. Ew. So it's like going ew, blue, Q. Okay? E and A is E, as in tea and treat. E. This one, I don't know, it's not used that much, but it's O, as in automatic, or Paul and Paula. Okay, so you don't get that in many words, but that's another one, or. The last vowel digraph that we've got is I. Is I, as in pie and lie. Okay, so that's I. I'm going to show you some vowel consonant ones now, but let's have a look at this one. Is as in girl, okay? Girl. A and Y is A, like day. So you could do the days of the week with this one, which would be brilliant. Monday, Tuesday, and hay. Day and hay. A, W, O. So it's O again. But this one is saw. O as in saw and Thor. Okay? Not as in Thor as in like mighty Thor, but Thor as in thaw your car out when it's really frosty on a morning. And oi. But this one is like toy and koi. So that one is oi. And then the last one that I'm going to teach you in this section is ew, as in few. So that's ew, as in few, and flew. Those are Phase 5 digraphs, part 1. I will now do Phase 5 digraphs, part 2. And then I will do a summary of all of them. Thank you for listening, and I hope that your homeschooling is going really well. Bye!